Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. I love the look that I came up with today. I kind of did like a smoky wing with the purple shades and that gorgeous shimmer all over my lid. I think this is now my 5th video with this palette, so if you want to check out my other videos with this palette for some more inspiration, I'll link those down below for you. I know that when I do my 12 days of tutorials, I try to use older eyeshadow palettes, but when you guys voted for the palettes under the Huda Beauty category, Rose Quartz won by far, so I had to do another video with it for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, let's dig into this palette. I'm going to start with the shade Aura on a Sigma E58, and I'm going to pack that on the outer part of my eye. Then I'm going to take a Sigma E27 in the shade Radiate, and I'm going to use that to blend around Aura. And I want to kind of do like a winged out shape today. And then again, blending that out with Radiate. Now I'm going to add just a little more Aura to touch up that shade and make sure it's nice and pigmented. Now I'm going to pick up Gratitude on the E27, and I'm just going to blend that on the center of the lid, bringing it into the center of my crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Blissful on my finger, and that's going to go on the inner part of my lid. Whew, that reflection is gorgeous. Oh, that shimmer is just so pretty. Okay, I had to close my blinds because the sun was coming in and blinding me. I'm going to take a little bit of Abundance on that E57, and I'm going to place that right here next to Blissful to help with the blend from the shimmer to the deeper matte shades. You might not be able to really see this shade, but this is just helping with the blend. Alright, I'm loving how these colors look so far. I think I want to try to do a smoky wing today. I'm still kind of new to doing smoky wings. Like, I can do a liquid black liner any day, but a smoky wing, it's a little challenging for me. So for my technique today, I'm going to take a black gel liner. This one's from Inglot. I forgot how much I love this, and I haven't used it in so long, so I hope I still love it. And I'm going to use a Sigma E06 winged liner brush. And I think I'll start by just lining my lash line and doing like a little wing, and then kind of working with that wing and smudging it out, see what I can do. So let's do it. The eyeliner in the pot is still creamy, which I'm kind of surprised by because it's been probably like a year since I've used this. Alright, so I got the easy part done, which is the lash line for me. Now I'm going to try to do just like a little flick of a wing. Okay, that's cute and little. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll start the kind of blending and smoky process. Alright, I got both my baby wings on and they're kind of cute. Now on the same E06, I'm gonna take the shade Mantra and I'm gonna apply some of that on top of the wing. And I'm kind of using this eyeshadow to make the wing a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try switching to a Sigma E21 and I'm just kind of following that general wing shape. Okay, I think I like that. So here is the after and the before, so let's do this one. my E27 and kind of blending around that wing. Okay, is this the best smoky wing in the world? No, but I kind of like it. So I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, my face makeup is done. Let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna start with that E21 in the shade Mantra, and that's gonna go on the outer part of my lower lash line. So I'm stopping about halfway, and then I'm gonna pick up Gratitude on the E27 and use that to blend out Mantra. Now on the E57, I'm going to take more Blissful, and that's going to go on the inner part of my lower lash line. I decided to switch to my finger, and I'm going to try to be precise with this. All right, I might not have been as precise as I want to be, but I love how these colors are looking. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll show you the full face. All right, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand The Bright Lashes, and I'm wearing the Half Lash in Flutter. And here is the final close-up of the eyes all done. All right, here is what the full face looks like. Let me tell you what else is on my face. For my lips, I'm wearing the Sigma lipstick in New Mod. This is one of their new shades from their Infinity Point lipsticks. These are really cool because as long as you wear the lipstick, you will not lose the points. So if you use it to like line your lips, it's kind of cool, kind of different. The formula is very nice, very creamy and pigmented. So I'm wearing New Mod in this, and then I did add a little bit of my Urban Decay lipstick in Oatmilk just to kind of lighten up the color. And I just love how these lips look with the eyes today. And for my blush, I used a shade I haven't used before. So this is the Kaja little cream blush duo. The shade is called Sweet Sangria, and I've used this top shade before, like a really pretty kind of neutral pinky shade, but this bottom shade I've been scared of. It's like this kind of magenta-y purple, but I used this shade for my blush today, and I kind of love it so much right now. It did look kind of scary as I applied it, but the more I blended it out, the more I'm like, this is beautiful, and I want to wear this all the time. And then for my highlighters, I am wearing the new Rare Beauty highlighters. I just filmed a TikTok of me applying these for the first time, so I'm actually wearing both shades mixed together, the two lightest shades. So this one is Exhilarate, this one is Enlighten, and I mix these two together, and I love this. Look at this glow. This is my very first time wearing these today, and the formula is like silky smooth. Like you just barely press your finger in there. Oh, it's beautiful. So I'm very excited to continue to use these. I'm kind of wondering, like, do you think highlights coming back in 2023? Because I feel like we kind of stepped away from it, but with Rare Beauty coming out with highlighters, I'm like, this could be a moment again. I cannot get over this Blissful shimmer shade on my lids, and I feel like looking at it, it could kind of be a scary color, but I feel like the way I used it today is kind of more of a wearable look. I'm also very proud of myself for my smoky winged liner today. I feel like I did a better job than last time, so slowly learning that technique, but I love how this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.